KIST Medical College, established in 2006. The college is affiliated with the Tribhuvan University for the MBBS course from the year 2008 and for the BDS course from the year 2011. Both the programs are recognized by the Nepal Medical Council. The college runs a 500-bedded hospital equipped with state-of-the-art infrastructure and every modern facility. The college also has well-equipped lecture halls, seminar rooms, and basic medical science practical laboratories as per the norms of Nepal Medical Council.
Our curriculum is based on the Tribhuvan University, so we never go just beyond that, or that is our the main constitution, or whatever you like to say. So we follow the Tribhuvan University curriculum, and as per the curriculum, we are just running our college very smoothly. Initially, we used to have a good number of international students, especially the Indian students. So we used to teach them, and most of them passed from this college, and they are working now in their country. So it will be our pleasure to welcome all international students, including especially the Indian students, because culturally and geographically we are very close, and our border is also open. So, and language barrier is also not there. So most of us, we speak Hindi, and most of them, they speak Nepali. And because of that, the Indian students are very comfortable to us.
The aim of KIST Medical College is to be a reputed medical college at the national and international level by bringing together the best curriculum in a peaceful academic environment through the dedicated professional services of competent and committed faculty and staff. 24 hours emergency, ICU, SICU, MICU, TMT, chest disease care, radiotherapy, including X-ray, CT scan are available. Modern medical teaching learning pedagogy makes KIST Medical College always center for excellence.
Hello everyone. My name is Dr. Lumesh Sharma, and I have done my MBBS from KIST Medical College, Nepal, and मेरा घर it's in Gurgaon, Delhi, Haryana. So basically लोग बागों को ये डाउट रहता है कि नेपाल और इंडिया में जब वो इंडिया से नेपाल में MBBS करने आते हैं, देन दे हैव अ बिग डाउट रिगार्डिंग कि यहाँ पर कल्चरल इन्वायरमेंट कैसा है, यहाँ पर पढ़ाई वहाँ से सेम है या नहीं, बुक्स वो सब यूज़ होती हैं या नहीं, स्टैंडर्ड सोर्सेज क्या हैं. बट आई वुड लाइक टू टेल यू that it's almost the same. Everything is same except for the thing कि इंडिया में you have profs for every year, and यहाँ पे they take your exams once a year. So this is the difference we have. And if we consider the books are also the standard books as used in India. For example, in medicine, we all use Davidson and Harrison's, which are the standard books. And for ENT, for example, we have Dhingra, we have Srivastav. And अब कुछ लोगों को लगता है कि if you feel कि नेपाल इंडिया से नेपाल आने में देयर इज़ अ लैंग्वेज बैरियर, आपको लगता है कि यहाँ पर समझने में हमें कुछ प्रॉब्लम होगी. सो आई वुड लाइक टू टेल यू कि टीचर्स अराउंड हियर आर वेरी गुड इन टीचिंग स्किल्स. दे आर बेस्ट, एंड दे ऑल्सो टीच everything in little bit of Hindi, and they also use English most of the time. Nepali and Hindi are really very same. They're exactly same if you want to talk. And at last, I would like to tell you that we had several options to take admission in regarding our MBBS career, but I found KIST Medical College the best college, because this college offers you with the best faculty present all over Nepal. We have the most renowned teachers present here teaching us. Secondly, the environment which the KIST college creates for a student, it's very easy for a student to pass their exams. Secondly, you can anytime go to representatives of this college, you can anytime go to administration, the principal, they all are very friendly. They take us as the international students very seriously, because this is the best college which I found out to be.
Namaste, my name is Lavi Gupta. I am from Eta, Uttar Pradesh, India, and I am studying KIST Medical College, and I am first year student. फ्रॉम 15th बैच. मैं एडमिशन से पहले यहाँ पे काठमांडू सिटी घूमने आई थी, और मुझे यहाँ का रहन सहन सब बहुत पसंद आया और इसका जो वेदर है वो भी फेवरेबल है, आप हर टाइम यहाँ पे आके रह सकते हैं। और मैंने यहाँ पे काठमांडू सिटी में आके देखा कि किस्ट मेडिकल कॉलेज का इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर कंपेयर ऑल द कॉलेज बहुत अच्छा है, इसका एकेडमिक्स बहुत अच्छा है।
Hello, my name is Akshat Kapoor. I am currently studying in KIST Medical College, Kathmandu. I belong to Delhi, and KIST Medical College is a great college to be in. You'll get a lot of academic development, and you'll develop as a person, as an individual, and as a doctor. Recently, a big achievement has been achieved by our hospital. A dual transplant of liver and kidney has been successful. It was for the first time that has ever happened in Nepal.
मेरा नाम मनस्विनी शर्मा है, मैं राजस्थान इंडिया से हूँ और मैं इधर फर्स्ट ईयर MBBS बैच में हूँ और 15th बैच है ये। तो मैं लास्ट 4 मंथ से यहाँ पे हूँ। क्लास का एनवायरनमेंट काफ़ी अच्छा है। तो मैं राजस्थान से हूँ, तो राजस्थान से इधर मुझे कोई फ़र्क नहीं लग रहा, खाने में भी कोई दिक्कत नहीं है, टीचर्स भी काफ़ी अच्छे हैं, सिक्योरिटी भी काफ़ी सही है लड़कियों के लिए।
मैं अमृत प्रत्युष, मैं अभी फाइनल ईयर MBBS किस्ट मेडिकल कॉलेज का स्टूडेंट हूँ। अभी मैं बिहार दरभंगा से बिलोंग करता हूँ। यहाँ किस्ट में इसलिए आया क्योंकि मैं मतलब देखा प्रॉपर काठमांडू में है मेडिकल कॉलेज ये, और यहाँ से इजी एक्सेस है आपको फ़्लाइट्स वगैरह के लिए। और बाकी इधर उधर के मेडिकल कॉलेज में भी 2-3 चेक देखे थे, तो सबसे बढ़िया फैकल्टी और सबसे बढ़िया इन्वायरमेंट मेरे को किस्ट मेडिकल कॉलेज का लगा, इसीलिए मैंने ये कॉलेज प्रीफर किया। और आज के डेट पे भी बहुत अच्छा कॉलेज है, बहुत अच्छी पढ़ाई होती है।
मेरा नाम अवंतिका राव है, मैं कानपुर उत्तर प्रदेश की रहने वाली हूँ। मैं यहाँ पे किस्ट मेडिकल कॉलेज काठमांडू में फर्स्ट ईयर में पढ़ती हूँ। किस्ट मेडिकल कॉलेज की बात की जाए तो यहाँ पे सेफ्टी और फूड जो भी है सब कुछ अच्छा है। सेफ मतलब एज अ गर्ल यहाँ पे सेफ्टी अच्छी है, और यहाँ का जो भी हम लोग का फूड है वो हमारे नॉर्मल इंडियन खाने से ही मिलता जुलता है। यहाँ पे पढ़ाई भी बहुत अच्छी है और यहाँ के टीचर्स बहुत कोऑपरेटिव हैं।
My name is Krishna Singh and I am from Prayagraj, Uttar Pradesh. So I am a first year student of KIST Medical College. I am doing MBBS here. The main thing is that why I choose KIST Medical College. There are very few points. First is like KIST Medical College is affiliated with the government university, Tribhuvan University, and the curriculum is not same with Indian standards, but it is little bit tough. But when you will come here and when you will see the faculty and everything, you will be able to do it easily. And the barrier you will feel is the language, but with time you will learn that, so it's not a big deal. And the support we are here for you to support you. We have a lot of seniors, Indian seniors here, so you don't have to think twice before coming here.
I am originally from Ganganagar, Rajasthan. Talking about academics, KIST MCTH is very much focused on providing the best of education to its student. All the teachers are very helpful and help the student at every turn. KIST MCTH regularly conducts workshops, seminars and system ending examination for better understanding of the concept. We have been allotted mentors with whom we can share our problems, and studying in KIST MCTH have been the best part of my education. Thanks to all the support I received from my teachers, principal sir and my peers. Even language is not hard to understand.
KIST Medical College is welcoming international students for 33 seats for MBBS. All Indian students who have passed NEET or Nepal Medical Entrance Exam can get admission easily.